So I've been searching on the web for some great over-ear headphones for a decent price, and I really wasn't finding something that fitted my jam. And at the perfect moment, I got a notification. That's pretty convenient. Takstar wanted me to review their Shade headphones, and I quickly ordered it, and I'm here for the review.
I see blue diamonds, sideways, it's a race.
So the box arrived, and let's go straight to the unboxing. Here are all the items you get in the box. So first off, we got the user manual, but you'll not be needing this since you have this video. Next, we got a regular cable, which is about 4 feet long. And after this cool magic trick, we have a detachable microphone, and we have a really nice station right here where you can increase and decrease your volume, as well as mute and unmute. And right here, we have the earmuff, and it can be placed on top of the microphone to get some crisp audio. And then finally, we have the splitter, which I personally am not going to use, but it can be helpful to other people. And then finally, we have the headphones themselves. And that was pretty much it for the unboxing. So now let's move on to the specifications. So first off, the headphones has an amazing metal build with plastic scatter around, and there's a soft headband that sits comfortable on the head. And it's really lightweight as well, coming at around 235 grams, and the headphones is really comfortable, especially the earmuffs. The earmuffs also have a 90-degree swivel to fit any head shape. So taking a look inside the headphones, you have a 40mm magnetic neodymium driver. The headphones also has band adjustments, which are partially made of metal and plastic. And there's a port at the bottom of the headphones for all the attachments. And this brings up to one of the features, a detachable microphone. As you mentioned in the unboxing, there is a station right here that shows the volume and the scroll wheel. And here's a quick test audio for the microphone.
So if you're wondering what the sound sounds like, well, you don't have to worry anymore because this is what it sounds like. In my opinion, it really isn't that great. It's just a bit staticky. It just doesn't sound pleasant at all compared to other budget headphones that I've actually tried before. And if you want to check that out, you can check it right over here. It just doesn't sound that great, and that's my only problem with it.
And the Shade has surround sound features which are compatible with certain consoles and PCs, and it's amazing to use. You can feel the footsteps around you in a game and see where enemies are coming from. Awesome, so now let's move on to my experience, and we're gonna just move back to our regular talking head shot. So if you've seen my previous video, this is what it usually looks like. I've been playing around with a lot of editing styles, which is mostly inspired by a YouTuber named Art. You can check his channel out right over here. It's just amazing. The editing style was amazing, so I just want to sort of imitate and understand that. So hopefully you enjoyed the first part of the video, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more of that in the future. Awesome, so now let's talk about my experience. So it's been overall positive so far. The fit has been amazing. The headband, the cushioning for the earmuffs are just phenomenal. They really sink into your head and just sort of molds around your head and feels very lightweight, and you barely notice that it's actually there. The build quality is complete metal, as I mentioned before. It's just really high quality to hold, and obviously it's $99. You probably need to expect that for such a headphone. And to talk about the audio, it's been great so far. It has a wide range. You can hear great bass, great treble, and their claim for the surround audio is sort of true. It's actually really amazing, and if you are playing a video game on your Xbox or any console that supports it, you can obviously hear if there are footsteps to the right. You obviously hear it mostly in your right earmuff, and you can obviously feel like it's coming from that direction. I wouldn't compare it to Apple's spatial audio since there's way more machine learning and a lot more tech behind that. This is just mostly just pushing the sound to your right or left and sort of balancing between those, but it's been amazing so far. But there is one major problem with the Takstar Shade, and that's with the microphone. So obviously if you're using this casually for video conferences or just casual speaking, this is decent. I wouldn't say really great. It's a bit staticky and just isn't pleasant to hear with my experience. And obviously you heard the test footage. It wasn't really that great. I've seen other headphones do sort of better in this area, and those headphones were $40, which concerns me a bit because that sort of could have been implemented into a $99 headphones. But I would understand if they spend a lot of money and a lot of thinking into the actual build of the headphones and actual sound quality, which is clearly shown. But the headphones is sort of a bummer. But it's absolutely great that you can detach it, attach a just normal cable and use another microphone for audio. It's just really great. You can customize many options like that, which is also a great pro for this headphones. So after talking about the pros and cons, my final verdict for the Takstar Shade is an 80 out of 100. Obviously, it has an amazing audio, the fit is really great, the build quality is amazing, but if you are primarily going to use this headphones for streaming or just for a voice chat, it just isn't that great, and I feel like a lot of people might not be comfortable using the microphone and might defer to another headphones because of that. So I hope you guys loved that video. Subscribe if you haven't to watch more future content like this. Like this video if you found this helpful, and comment any questions and concerns, and I'll try my best to answer them. And please let me know how the editing style and how the video was for you, and it would be amazing feedback. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.